Dang it. I've been fighting this thing for a while now. It's got to be moved. It's just time. Welcome back to Living Life with Jerry and Mel. As you just saw, this rose bush is getting in my way. I've been fighting it for a while, and so it's right in the pathway to my greenhouse. So what we're going to do today is transplant this rose bush and make us a little pathway to the greenhouse. So stick with us.
Maybe like right in here?
Yeah, I think right there. I think that's pretty good.
Okay.
That way I think it's close enough to that other plant where I'm kind of wanting to put things.
Okay.
I'm using some Vigoro rose food. I'm going to put some in the hole here. Okay, now we've got the rose transplanted, so let's go down to the greenhouse and get our pathway going.
that's good. I don't think we want to set them in stone just yet because we may want
Right.
to move them. So,
Yeah.
but that'll be good for now.
So this is what we've come up with. We're not finishing it right now because we may change our minds. I'm not sure, but I'm thinking this is how I want it going. So what you think? All right, well now we're going to put a little mulch on the rose bush and the hydrangea bush. We decided to do a little bit on this one too. Looks much better. Now let's go put some mulch on the blueberries. Don't they look so much better now that they got a little mulch? Hopefully that'll keep the water in. And a week or so ago during one of our rainstorms, Jerry realized that the drainage pipe that goes underground, it had gotten stopped up. So he had to dig this whole thing up, get the pipe out, get it unstopped, all that. So now we had to actually dig up one of our plants that we had here, but so we're just going to throw some mulch on it now. Well, we bought 4 bags of mulch, but it didn't go as far as we were hoping it would, so we're probably going to have to go back and get a few more bags. Well, thank you for sticking around with us on Living Life with Jerry and Mel. Hope you enjoyed our video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, like our video, hype it if you can, and we will see you next time on Living Life with Jerry and Mel. Bye.